fix recent folder access is denied. So first of all, check it. Windows plus R, open this run administrator. Then first of all, check recent, then enter. Access is denied to recent folder. Okay. First of all, this PC, mouse right, then click file, then change folder search option, then clear, restore default. So first bullet point, then double click point, then 2, check it. Okay, apply, then okay. Then Windows, go to setting, search, start setting. Okay, go to start setting. Then your show recently option on or off, please on. Then go to then Windows plus R, open this run as administrator, type this app data, then enter, open this roaming folder, then Microsoft, then Windows, then create a new folder. Okay, mouse right click, new, then folder. Okay, recent, then recent folder, then enter, and mouse right click, pin to quick access. Okay, then close it. Then go to this PC, click, then view, hidden item, check it, then go to view option, then navigation, open, open click, then show all folder checking. Okay, click it. Then your Windows user name. Okay, click, then check recent folder, missing or not. Okay, missing, then no problem. Mouse right click, then new, then create a shortcut. First of all, browser click, then your user, okay, go to app data, roaming folder, Microsoft, then Windows, then click recent folder, select this recent folder, then okay, then next, and name, shortcut name, recent, then finish. Okay, then close it. Okay, more, check it. Windows plus R, open this run administrator, type recent, and okay. Okay, recent folder is fix it, delete, control D.